Insta360 X3 Motorcycle Kit. Get ready to take your motorcycle adventures to the next level with the Insta360 X3 Motorcycle Kit, which includes the invisible selfie stick to enhance your shot taking. The Insta360 X3 Motorcycle Kit features dual 1x2 inch 48 megapixel sensors, ensuring that you capture every detail of your thrilling rides. Enjoy incredible frame rates for both 360 and single lens mode. In 360 mode, you can shoot at 5.7K in 30, 25, 24 FPS and choose from 4K and 3K modes too. In single lens mode, shoot 4K in 30, 25, 24 FPS and select from 3.6K, 2.7K or 1080p as per your need. Plus, capture high-resolution photos at 72 megapixels and 18 megapixels. Say goodbye to shaky footage with the advanced flow state stabilization technology. The Insta360 X3 Motorcycle Kit is designed for both open road and underwater with a waterproof depth of up to 33 feet. Explore various video modes including standard, active HDR, time-lapse, time shift, bullet time, loop recording and pre-recording for added versatility. The invisible selfie stick is a game changer. It disappears in your edit, allowing you to capture aerial angles and third-person perspectives. With handlebar clamp, CNC extension rods, adhesive mounts, mounting base buckles and a bundle of accessories, there is nothing out of reach when it comes to your camera mounting. Take advantage of loop recording, which doubles as a dash cam. Save memory with X3 as it continually records video but only save the final minutes according to your set interval. With easy AI-powered reframing tools in the Insta360 app, finding the perfect angle is a breeze, ensuring you never miss a shot again. The Insta360 X3 Motorcycle Kit is powered by a robust 1800 mAh battery, providing you with an impressive 81 minutes of runtime when shooting at 5.7K at 30 FPS. Let's have a look at what is in the box. Elevate your motorcycle adventures to a whole new level with the Insta360 X3 Motorcycle Kit. So start your adventures now by getting yours at Amazon.